Alright children, today we are going to learn how to show common factors in the diagram. Common factors of 12 and 18 we are going to show in the diagram. So what is the spelling of diagram?
D-I-A-G-R-A-M.
You are spelling like a baby. D-I-A-N. D-I-A-G-R-A-M. Diagram. D-I-A-G-R-A-M. Diagram. Small students spell like that. But we are grown up now. So anyway, this diagram is called Venn diagram. What is the name of this diagram?
Venn diagram.
V-E-N-N. Venn. D-I-A-G-R-A-M. Venn diagram. So first of all, we have, before finding the common factors of 12 and 18, we have to find out the factors of 12. So I have taught you to find factors by division and by multiplication method. And most of you like multiplication method. So let's find the factors of 12 through multiplication method. 1 12 is 12.
12.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then 2 6 is
12.
12. 3 4 is
12.
12. Now 4 3 is 12. It is repeated. It is
Repeat.
once the number is repeated, stop it. Alright? Got it? Did you understand? Siki, did you understand? Good. Aditya? So we are finding the factors of 12. These are the factors. And this is called the product. This is called the product. The smallest factor of 12 is 1 and the greatest factor of 12 is 12. Understood? Now coming to this side now. We'll find out the factors of 18. 1 18 is 18. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now how much? 2 9 is 18. 2 9 is 18. Now in the table of 3 product 18 will not come. Yes or no? 3. Yeah, 3 6 yeah. 3 6 Okay. Now in the product of 4, table of 4, 18 comes. Sure. It will not come. It will not come. Why writing a page? In the table of 5? No, because 5 4 is 20, 5 6 is 15. And number comes between 15 and 20 and they got slow. So 18 will not come. Now 6?
16.
But it is repeated. 6 it is repeated. Once the number is repeated, what you have to do? Stop it. So let's stop. So we have found out the factors of 12 and factors of 18. Now it's time to check the common factors. Okay? 1 is the common factor of every number. You know.
Yes, sir.
1 is the common factor of every number. So let's cut 1 and put 1 in the middle, in the intersection. 1. Okay. And now coming back to 2, 2 is also common. You find 2 here also and 2 here also. So cut it. Right? 2 here. Okay? Now you find 3 this side also and that side also. Cut it 3. Oh, who's that? Yeah. 3. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you find any common number?
6.
6, yes. 6 is this side and 6 is that side. 6. Ascending order, okay? Always put the number in ascending order. 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Alright. Now children, this circle is for 12 and this circle is for 18. Now, what are the numbers left over here?
4.
4 and 12. Always go in ascending order. You can write since the only two numbers are there, you can write 4, comma, and 12. That means within this circle, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 12, 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 12. Came on now? Now, what are the numbers left this side? 9 and 18. 9 and 18. So this circle belongs to 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So all the numbers we have put in the diagram. So this is how you show the common factors in the diagram. Any problem? Any problem? You want to ask any question? Alright. So you have learned? You have learned? Now, today's work for you. Today's work for you. I'll give you two numbers. One is 16 and another is, I'll give you 24. I'll give you 24. Okay? So this is your classroom. And if you finish today, you can show me. If you do not finish it, you can show me next time. And Monday, everybody's copy, I'm going to check. Old work, new work, everything. Alright? Those whose copies are not checked, not completed, not up to date, Saturday and Sunday you have. Complete it all and show me on Monday. That's all. Thank you very much.